Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. Today, if you can tell by the title of this, quarantine has driven me to insanity, and I have been cleaning everything in the house. I'm literally like a crazy psycho cleaning lady. My closet were the first victim of my cleaning rampage. When I came home from school, I was just like, I can't have this. If you guys know me, I literally am obsessed with like keeping my stuff organized. Of course, when I saw this video on here, I was like, oh my gosh, a perfect video for me to film because I'm stuck in quarantine. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. If you guys want to watch me be a crazy psycho cleaning lady, then just keep on watching. Yeah, I inhaled so much dust in this, so please give it a thumbs up for my sinuses, and don't forget the subscribe button right below me. And yeah, let's go ahead and get her on into it. Hey guys, so it's day one of me attempting to clean out my closets. You know when they always tell you there's monsters in your closet as a kid? Like, there's legitimate monsters in my closet, and it's called dust. I'm literally gonna die. But anyway, fine, it's fine, I'm fine, I'm gonna survive. This is day one of extreme home closet makeover done by yours truly. So I have two closets, and this is the first one. This one's not as bad because this is the one I typically use. It's not too bad. It's still cluttered up there, and there's still some stuff down there from where I moved in for my dorm. This one is really bad. It doesn't look that bad, but I promise, like, once you get in there, it's just like everything's stuffed in there. It's just stuff that like I just stuffed in there because I didn't want to deal with it. And now look where we are. So starting out, I'm going to take all the clothes out of my closet because I have to get rid of like a crap ton of them. And so I think the best way to do is just take them all out and then reevaluate them then. So that's what we're gonna do. Enjoy. Look how bad my under eye circles are, guys. I literally, all I do is sleep in quarantine and look at my under eyes. Okay guys, so now I'm taking clothes out of this closet, like jackets and stuff, because I'm gonna put my jackets and stuff in that closet. So I'm just moving those over real quick. So many allergies. I literally just almost, like, guys, look what I almost did. So I stepped on these and I literally went sliding, but I caught myself somehow. And that could have been like really tragic. But you know, I saved myself, so. Okay fam, so I've sorted through most of my clothes. I'll probably go back and pull like bits and pieces out, but I've gotten most of them out of the closet, and I put back the ones that I'm keeping right now in there. So now I have to put everything that I'm getting rid of in these bags so we can take it when everything opens back up after this coronavirus stuff is over. And yeah, this this is really bad. I think I'm gonna try to like color match my hangers, but this is bad. Okay, so this is all the clothes and stuff that I'm giving away. It's currently my brother's room because we can't take it right now because everything's shut down. But I got most of the stuff put in bags and bins and stuff. So hopefully we can give these away to some people and it'll be good. So I'm proud of myself. I cleaned out a lot of stuff. So there's actually more downstairs, but you get the point. So that's that. They're out of my room. That's all that matters. Okay guys, so it's like a week later. It's like a few days, week later, you know, same thing, right? Anyway, my package from Target just came. So I'm gonna build my shoe stand, and then I got another one of these bins to put up there with that bin and put more stuff in it. So I'm gonna do that, and then that's pretty much, I think, the last things. I think I'm gonna like organize a few more things in here. And then yeah, I mean, this has gone pretty well. I did a lot and I didn't film it all because it was kind of just me like moving stuff. So I will explain what I did. Most of the stuff just had to be thrown away and moved, so. Okay, so I just finished up with my closet. I think they're done for now, so I'm pretty impressed. They look so much better than before. If I could change the hangers, I would, but I mean, I don't really need to do that. That's unnecessary money. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. It was freaking so much work. Took me a few days to get it all cleaned out, but this was pretty fun. So I'm gonna show you guys final reveal. Let me tell you guys what I did too before I do that. So basically what I did was I just took out, I had like a bunch of baby clothes and stuff up here, and I put those all in the attic, and then these are just bins that have some of my clothes and then other stuff in it. This has all of my camera equipment in it. And then like I said, guys, I got another one of these bins. These are from Target, so I have both of those up there with some stuff in it. I have another basket, and then these are shoe boxes, and they actually have shoes in them, so that's why they're up there. And then yeah, that's kind of all that's up above my closet. So that's what I did like off camera, because guys, like it was so much work, and I was just like, it would have been like 30 minutes of footage, and I was like, I don't really want to download that to my computer, so that's why I didn't film it. Okay guys, that's pretty much all I have for this video today. This was so much work. It's gonna be so much work to edit. I know it. But you know, I had a lot of fun doing this, and it's really satisfying. Every time I come in my room, I just stare at my closets. I'm like, you did a good job. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to leave your video suggestions in the comments down below. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button right below me. And if you're interested in checking out my previous videos, you can click them right over there, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.